My Kakwa and Pogo, we are trying to get them out of this cage and go in this big room, as you can see. And the food is over there with a little trap. Pogo, I don't think so. Something is happening, but Kakua, he looks amazing. Okay, these guys are not leaving that far. I'm gonna just. These guys are not even leaving.
Why are you like this, bro?
Okay, now I'm gonna put the foot little bit shaking. If you guys can see it, shake. Come on, Kakua, come on! I know you want it.
Guys, I've seen bigger birds. I really didn't care.
Kakua should come. Kakua, I know you wanted Kakua. Get in this. Yes, you want the food, right?
How much
Kakua?
7 o'clock. It's been how many?
Kakua is just seeing the camera. Say hi to the viewers. Kakua. Oh, you wanna eat this? No, come on. I know you guys want it. Kakua. You don't want this? I know you want it. Come here. I'm gonna sprinkle it till that place. You guys will not come. As you can see, I've sprinkled it. Although they should come right now. Okay, come on, guys. You guys are just too naughty. Yeah, you guys are too naughty. Who's too naughty? Come on. Look at his big eyes. What are they doing? Okay. I don't think so they'll come in this trap. Or they should. Yeah, you guys will. Come on here. Come. There's a whole entire food right here waiting for you. So guys, Kakua has come out.
Wait, let him come in. Wait, Babu, 1 second. What is this scaring? Come here.
Kakua has come out. I've never seen.
Come here inside.
Kakua looks so tiny,
Hey, 1 second.
guys.
Hato.
Oh my god, he's seen the outside world.
Oh my god.
Guys, look at that. Oh no, let's go. They have come out. Guys, I have done this for my cutie pies.
Krishna,
As you can see.
come here. तुम लोग को तो मुझसे कितना प्यार था. They can't fly so much. That's the problem. Come here.
So I'm actually kind of scared. And I'm giving this.
They fall off.
Don't fall.
Not here.
Put the damn pillow. Guys, this is amazing.
Amazing.
Guys, it's the same time. It's the scariest.
Come. Food is here. Okay?
We are trying to.
They love it. Hey, stay here, Chotu.
No, guys. Oh my God, they are flying.
Come here.
Good body.
Pogo, you won't
Pogo,
come. You
Pogo.
used to love me so much, na?
No, not over there. No, don't. Oh my God. Okay. I'm kind of scared for them. These guys. Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah. Imagine if this. Close it, man. Close it, Chotu.
कहीं फंस ना जाए उड़
Oh my God. Guys, they're top of the damn thing.
I think we should just let them fly.
So we are letting them fly.
तुम्हारा ऑफिस नहीं है क्या?
है मम्मा।
रुको थोड़ा उसको
There.
रुको झाड़ू जल्दी झाड़ू
मम्मा ये सब नहीं करते।
So guys,
अच्छा हम लोग को आना है अंदर। या कम here this side हाँ this side baby girls this side इस तरफ come here अरे
oh my god! Oh my god, guys, I'm so scared.
come
Guys, if you have some boats,
अयो
माँ बाय
अरे बंद करो हाँ
so guys,
ध्यान से प्लीज इधर आओ क्या चुग रहे हो आओ इधर
oh my god.
वाव लग जाएगा बस है उड़ा दी नहीं इतना बस है पूजा
हाँ
बस है
इधर आ जाओ तुम लोग
Okay, bye guys. Thank you to watch this video.